Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ingredients: milk, sugar, cream, corn syrup, natural flavor, mono and diglycerides, cellulose gum, guar gum, carrageenan, vitamin A palmitate. Contains milk. May contain small amounts of other shake flavors served at the restaurant, including egg ingredients when eggnog shakes are available.
Make your mark, take our lead.
1 Shamrock Shake, any size, is still more added sugar than the upper recommended limit for any given day. The American Heart Association recommends no more than 25 to 36 grams of added sugar per day, or 6 to 9 teaspoons. Even the small shake, which has 63 grams of sugar, is 2 times the daily recommended limit. 16 March 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
A 16-ounce serving of the Shamrock Shake has 550 calories, 13 grams of fat, 8 grams of saturated fat, 1 gram of trans fat, 50 milligrams of cholesterol, 180 milligrams of sodium, no fiber, 82 grams of sugar and 13 grams of protein. The 82 grams of sugar is the worst, Hartley says. 8 March 2012.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The McDonald's Shamrock Shake is back for a limited time to celebrate the 50th anniversary of its invention. The mint-flavored shake is made up of vanilla ice cream, Shamrock Shake syrup, and whipped cream. A small Shamrock Shake packs 460 calories and 63 grams of sugar. 24 February 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
McDonald's made some major changes to the main ingredient in its McFlurries last year and no one noticed. In addition, McDonald's said that its chocolate and strawberry shake syrup will no longer have high fructose corn syrup and its whipped topping is now made without artificial colors, flavors or preservatives. 18 May 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.